So my roommate's estranged alcohol-loving uncle died, and this is what he looked like. Yeah, that's him. All 6, 7 of them. He's a goddamn rock star. Is it better than you expected? I think so. And this was his cook bag of recipes. I've written down every chapter on this wheel, and I'm gonna make one. I'm David Zarko, and this is Dead Greg's Recipes. Sauce salad. This is the sauce salad bag, and we are making Italian stuffed portabello salad. All right, Italian stuffed portabello salad. Feel free to pause it if you want to look over the ingredients, and let's just jump into it. We chop one of the mushrooms and a small onion, a teaspoon of basil. Take your time. Jesus Christ. I feel bad. I feel like I made her stop. Roasted peppers. Half a cup Italian dressing. Half a pound of sweet sauge. Okay, so we saute the shroom with the onion, and then we add the sauge. After cooking it down for a bit, it's time to add the peppers, dressing, and basil. Let's get to stuffing these mushrooms and pop that knob out. There was an extra mushroom and plenty of mix. Top these bellows off with some crumbs and cheese. And then we bake it. 20 minutes later, it's time to serve it up, and let's see what the roommate thinks. So this is Italian stuffed portabello salad.
That's not a salad.
Well, it's called a salad. It was in the sauce salads bag.
Sauce salad, that's how you know.
I love portabello mushrooms.
Yeah. And it tastes like a pizza.
Yeah, actually it does.
Right? Damn. It's like a appetizer, I guess.
It's a salad. But I told you that. I actually feel like I could use a bit of salt.
No. I wish that top layer was thicker.
I thought I put enough on there
Like
too.
a thick crust, you know? But other than that, I mean, it's terrific. How hard is it to make?
Really, really easy.
Yeah.
Yeah. It doesn't even take long. Super easy. What do we eat last?
I don't know.
The goulash. 2, 1. I like how we can't see each other's score when this happens. Oh, okay. So I was like, yeah, it's better than what we just had.
Yeah.
That's why I had to
Would you
ask.
score that 7?
7, 7.
7, 7.
Yeah. Maybe I could. Honestly, it just needs a tiny bit of salt, and then I probably would have really like, popped it up to an 8. It's like so much of it is the portabello, and that doesn't really have any seasoning on it, you know? Like it tastes, yeah, I mean, instantly better.
Sausage on now?
Sweet sauge.
Sweet sauge.
Next time on Dead Greg's. No. I accidentally didn't include the baby spinach because it wasn't in the instructions portion.